Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about plantar reflex. Plantar reflex is elicited by gently stroking on baby's foot with a blunt object. Now let's first see how to test this reflex. Now as you saw that when we are testing the reflex, we are gently stroking with a blunt object from heel laterally upwards towards little toe and then towards the great toe. At that time, the response that is seen is normal curling or flexion of great toe with all the other toes. In some kids, when you are checking this reflex, there won't be any response as such. Now, if you are noticing this, then the plantar reflex is integrated, or I will say that the Babinski sign is not present. Now, what is this Babinski sign? Babinski sign is seen, or we are considering that Babinski sign is positive when we are eliciting this plantar reflex and the response is extension of the great toe and fanning out of all the other toes, as you can see in the picture. Yes, if this is the response, then it is known as Babinski sign is present. We call it as Babinski positive sometimes. Usually, if this Babinski sign is present even in adults or in kids beyond 2 years of age, then we suspect that there is some problem with the integrity of the nervous system. Now, in kids from 6 months up till 2 years of age, if you are noticing this Babinski sign, then it is a normal phenomena. Why? Because up till 2 years of age, the myelination of corticospinal tract has not happened, or the myelination process is not yet completed. So, if it is Babinski positive or Babinski sign is present, then it is completely fine. But presence of this Babinski sign past this age is considered abnormal reflex. Now, we will see what happens if this Babinski sign is present. The child will face sensory issues. They will find difficulty in proprioception and vestibular sensory integrations. They find it difficult to maintain their balance while walking, so they will demonstrate an awkward gait or unbalanced gait. You might see them to be toe walkers. Yes, they will try to avoid contact of their whole sole with the ground. It is because of hypersensitivity over the sole of feet. So, particularly in those kids, it is very important to do certain exercises for integration of this plantar reflex. So now let us see the exercises for plantar reflex. Let's begin.